because I just got a big ass. Ooh, wait. Ooh, but look. Ooh. Ha. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a try on haul for the Skims loungewear and shapewear. So it's 2021, and like I told you guys in the last couple of videos I uploaded in 2020, I am going to be bringing new content and just doing different stuff here on my channel just because I'm bored. So if I'm bored, I know you guys are bored. So that's why I'm doing a lot of different things here on this channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Now I am a thick curvy girl, so if you don't like thickness, if you don't like fullness, if you don't like seeing a lot of boom bam thank you ma'am, you might want to go ahead and hit that exit button right now, because we will not be tolerating any type of negativity or body shaming on this channel whatsoever. Or you are just a hater, you need to exit out of my video right now. And this video is not sponsored. Everything in this video was purchased by me. Of course, this video consists of my honest, raw opinion, as it would be even if this video was sponsored. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So before I jump into the actual try on and giving you guys my opinion of each piece, I just want to share with you guys the packaging when you order from Skims. Bag is from Skims, however it does not come with your order. You do have to purchase this for an additional cost. It was like $4, so it wasn't expensive at all. I threw away a lot of my packaging because of COVID, so yeah girl. So this is the packaging for the shapewear. Then it has like the little shapewear or whatnot, and then on the back it comes with sizing and information on her shapewear and all of that good stuff. And then on the front here it comes with, turn it over, it comes with the name of the product and the size of the product, and then also like a quick little picture of the product. I don't know if you guys can see that here, but I did pay $68 for this item. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to wear a light, almost like beige dress. It is extremely fitted, but it's so comfortable. So let me go ahead and put this dress on and I'll be right back. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have worn this color because I blend in with the wall. So this is the body without any shapewear. Yeah, I blend in with the wall. Okay, so this is the slip. I did get this in a 2X, 3X. Oof, this don't have no, ooh wee. Okay, I can tell this is gonna really suck everything in. It's a lot more stretchy once it gets to the thighs, or I don't know if you guys can even see that, but see, it also, the fabric also changes too. So it's more like a stretchy fabric, and up here it's more like a compressed fabric. So look how much that stretches once it gets to like the hips and stuff. And see if I can figure it out where I can put this on like another way, cause okay, ooh, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna bring it down so y'all can really see. Ooh. Okay, ooh, I feel snatched already, girl, and I don't even have it all the way on yet. Ooh, wait, ooh, but look, ooh, ha, gotta try to get the girls in. Yo, this feels like I'm putting on a damn corset. Oh my god. Okay, get the girls in. And the straps are also adjustable. Girl, this slip is perfect. Like I said, it has a lot of stretch at the bottom, and there is no rolls, nothing is coming up. Everything is super flat and seamless. So I'm going to go ahead and put my dress on and do a comparison with the slip on. This sucker has a lot, like it's tight, y'all, like, but it's comfortable. I don't know, but look at that. Ooh, it makes everything smooth. Look at that. Okay, so super smooth. Let's see. And it's still there, like it's not going anywhere. The shapewear, the bodysuit. I did make sure I sized up with this because I looked at a lot of the reviews on this and everybody was like, girl, if you want to be comfortable and snatch at the same time, go up a size. Okay. It's a lot to get in. So honestly, if I would have went smaller, girl, I would have been tripping. Where you can see where the fabric actually changes. Okay, I definitely feel a little bit more compression up here. What is that? Okay, the back is a lot more stretchy, and I guess that helps with making sure the butt is not compressed with the shapewear, which is a plus because a lot of the shapewear that I've tried in the past makes your butt look super flat and tight because it's compressing your butt. It's going to give you a wedgie all day long. So that's the only thing I don't like about this. Now maybe because I just got a big ass, like I just got a big ass. So if you don't have a big ass, then you don't have to worry about this, but I do wish that it came with a thong instead because it would just be a little bit more comfortable and seamless underneath your clothes. And I also noticed, like, if I have to go to the bathroom, I'm going to have a lot of trouble getting all my clothes off, taking this down and using the bathroom because there's no type of snap underneath or a way to unzip this without having to take off everything. So let me go ahead and put the dress on and I'll be right back. I'm not getting no makeup on my dress. Like, I should have thought about it. Like, I should have thought to not wear this color. Okay. First thing, and it may show up a little different on camera, but what I'm seeing right here in the mirror, the slip that I had on earlier is the best thing for dresses because with that slip dress, it literally sucked everything in right here. And with the bodysuit, it does not suck in a lot on the sides, but I feel like the slip is just better. So let me just do a quick turnaround. Not wear this with a dress or a skirt. I would definitely do this with jeans or shorts. For those of you who are a little bit more curvaceous, a little bit more curvy, and you want to try out the bodysuit, I definitely like it, but I just feel like it's not made for the dress. Honestly, the slip definitely sucks everything in and give you that nice hourglass look. When you're walking, you're gonna see nothing but, you know, panty lines, like a panty line. If you don't have a big ass like me, then you may not even have to worry about that. But it's super flat. You don't see anything bulging out of the dress. No lumps, no rolls, no, like, none of that stuff. Very nice quality, but just for curvy girls, which you would think Kim K would know this, girl, we need thongs. We can't do no full panties. Like, seriously, we can't do that. Okay, so the next item is this lounge bra. This again is a 2X, 3X. It does have the little tape around it that prevents it from rolling up. Now I have worn this already, and y'all, it is really comfortable. I am a 38 double D. It doesn't have any straps or anything in the back, but it does have the straps where you can make it tight or you can loosen it, but it doesn't have any hooks or anything in the back. It's almost like a bralette. Okay, so I want to give you guys nips. So yeah, as you can see, definitely a low scoop right here. So this would be perfect for like low cut dresses and low cut shirts, like back out shirts and back out dresses. But honestly, because my girls are so big, I would just really wear this like more like a lounge bra. It is super comfy, and it does have a lot of stretch. So like, you don't even have to worry about any spill out, because like that's my biggest problem with my bras. It has a lot of stretch. I wasn't expecting that with this. So anyways, let me go ahead and put on the loungewear. So this is her loungewear set. Let me go ahead and put it on. I don't even know what size. A large. I could have did a medium though, but I got these in a large. Worn these, but ooh, okay, more like a high rise if you want it that way. Definitely reminds me of long johns for sure. Okay, the pants is the waffle material, but the tank top is just a regular Skims, just a regular lounge shirt, but it does have Skims on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. The bras, I'm a full support girl. I don't like anything that does not give me support. I just gotta have my boobs high to the sky, girl. That's just me. I've worn the bra before, so the bra actually is pretty comfortable. I have slept in this bra. Now, will I wear it in the public? Hell no. Just because, like I said, I like for my boobs to sit up, girl. I like lifted boobs. This is the loungewear set. Super cute. I love this brown. It's super soft on the skin. I did get a large, but I definitely feel like I could have gotten away with a medium. But I will say, when it gets to my thighs, and I have this problem all the time, my pants are always pretty much tight around my thighs, but when it comes to my waist and my stomach, I have a lot of room. Like, look at all that room. That's a lot of room. So, and these two pieces are sold separately, by the way, in case you are wondering. And so I did pick up the waffle robe. Now this robe is the same material as the pants, and I got the robe in a medium, but I definitely could have got a small, but I was going for like an oversized comfy look, and I'm so glad that I got the medium, because honestly it fits perfect for the look that I'm going for when it comes to loungewear. So as you can see, this is like a really cute combo. You got your robe, you got your tank, you got your leggings on. Girl, you are comfy and cute for the night. And the robe is, like I said, a little oversized. I mean, it's a robe, it's not supposed to be fit like that anyways. A little overpriced, I would say, but you know, you're really paying for the name at this point. And it does come with pockets. Oh, it's so cute, so comfy. Okay, so as you can see, like I said, you can wear it all the way up like this, and you can pull the tank down. The only thing is like the crotch area has a lot of loose fabric. This is still the same as the waffle material. It is extremely stretchy. You definitely don't have to worry about it being uncomfortable or too tight. If you're a full breast girl, then you get to also see what the tank top looks like if you wear a supportive bra. Probably can't see it. And it does say Skims on the top. Overpriced, yeah, Definitely paying for the name, but it's definitely giving like a lot of stretch. I like that, and it definitely hugs my curves, but it's also comfortable. I could also fall asleep in this without any problem. So I do like how she did this. Like, she kind of curved out your stomach so that you purposely expose your belly button or a little bit of skin. So I actually like that, because if you can see here, like, and you won't notice it from like looking at the shirt not being on you, but like, see how it's like a cutout here. I also have another color which is in the pink. Then I also have the shorts in this. Now the shorts I really don't like because they do roll up, but I'm not even going to show that in this video because I don't even know what the top is. So okay guys, and that does it for my Skims try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do more videos like this, definitely let me know below in the comment section. I had a lot of fun filming this type of videos. Please make sure you thumbs up this video and share it. Share it with your friends and your family, especially if you know someone who is interested in shapewear but maybe don't know where to begin. Definitely refer them to this video and share this video. I appreciate you guys for watching so much. Happy New Year, and I hope you guys are safe out there and still trying to enjoy life while we all get through this pandemic. Thanks for watching.